Hello, this is Theo Marshall, MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard the pre-owned 2015 Sailfish 270 center console. In the back, she's powered by dual 200 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha engines. On your port side, you'll find your boarding ladder with your live well on the starboard side. Plenty of rod holders, a retractable tow post, and a nice big comfortable 2-person bench here in the aft. Moving up, you find your freshwater sink, an additional live well, and some nice storage for tackle or whatever you may need. You'll notice the hardtop has plenty of rod holders built in, LED lights, and another storage basket. At your helm, comfortable 2-person helm. You'll find your Garmin screen, your switches, your radio, your compass, and again some additional storage in the hardtop built within the console. As we make our way into the console, moving up the boat, you have the head, sink, some additional storage space, a great place to stow that bow table. That bow table can be inserted right here. Comfortable, safe, deep bow of the Sailfish. We have plenty of deep seating with retractable backrests. The seats in the bow on both the port and starboard side have storage underneath. You'll notice the cup holders, stereo speakers all throughout the boat, and of course your cooler seat up against the console, your backrest, very comfortable. Again, this is the 2015 270 center console by Sailfish. For any additional information, any questions, please give us a call at 508-320-3350. Thank you.